Today's recipe is the traditional cornbread, but we've adapted it for low carb or keto. It's a few more carbs than the usual keto, but you can forgive yourself that because it's absolutely delicious. In South Africa, they'll know it as mealie bread, so let's get on with it. Now all that's left is to taste it, and I'm going to try it with a bit of homemade butter. Can't get better than this. Fantastic. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And we'd love to hear from you, so if you scroll down to the bottom of this video, you'll find the comments section. Thank you very much for watching.